judging every action. And there's the thing in your mind with the shit. You forget how to speak, gotta ask all the questions.